Hey campers, it's Lacie with you today. And today we get to DIY, make your own paint. And so I have a bowl. We're going to be using a cup of salt, which is already measured in here, and a cup of flour and a cup of water. Other than a mixing bowl, you'll want something to stir it with. So let's go ahead and make the base for our paint, and then we're going to end up adding food coloring to make all the different colors that we want to paint with today. So we'll start with 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of salt, and we're going to mix it together. Yeah, looking good. Mix in here. And now we're slowly going to add the water and mix it. It's really clumpy right now. I'm not sure if you can see what that looks like, but pretty clumpy. So we want to try and get as many of the clumps out to make it a smooth paint. So it might take you a few minutes of just stirring. All right. So you don't have to have all these food coloring different colors. Use whatever you have. If you wanted to get creative, you could actually use household items like coffee or a tea bag and make your own paint colors. But today I have food coloring, and so that's what I'm gonna use. All right, I'm gonna set that down here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in some of the base for our paint in here, and then we'll add the food coloring and we'll mix it up. And I'm gonna add some in these bowls and show you how we can, the same color, but you can get a different tint on that color by how much food coloring you add. And now the fun part, we get to pick all our colors here. So I have gel food colors. Normally this is for food, but we're gonna use these. And then I have your general food coloring. And so we'll start with purple. Add a little bit of purple in there. We'll do 1 pink. We got teal. We got orange. Oh, the orange is almost gone. Let's see if we can get some. There it goes. We'll try yellow. And we'll try green over here. So I got my paintbrush with me and paper towels here, and we're gonna go ahead and start mixing it. So this right here is the purple. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, pretty awesome. Next we got pink. And that is a cool pink color. Teal. Let's see about this teal. Oh, nice. You guys see that? That looks awesome. These look like good colors to paint with. Orange is over here. And green. And I'm going to show this to you in just a second so you can see what these colors look like. So, can you see those colors? Nice and bright colors, look fun to paint with. We'll test them out in just a minute. We got a couple more colors to try. So we'll try blue. And again, you have endless color possibilities because you can mix them, you can tint them, so maybe only 1 drop of blue here, but let's see what 3 or 4 drops of blue does in that one. So you can get your different shades and you'll have lots of colors. So this one's gonna be our light blue, only 1 drop. See that? It's a pretty sky blue color. And this was like 4 or 5 drops of food coloring. Let's see what this looks like. Definitely darker. Looks more like an ocean color to me. All right, now that we've made our paint from scratch with flour and salt and water, let's test it out. Let's draw something. So, really awesome. Lots of cool colors on there. I didn't let it dry before I tipped it up to show you guys. So now it's running through, but that's cool. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you had some fun. I had some fun. I encourage you to try your own DIY paint. Go ahead and create your own and then share with us at the hashtag PlaySafeAndFaye. We'll see you next time.